Welcome to my channel. I am starting by the grace of my creator. How are you all? Creating new objects from existing objects. This lesson describes how to duplicate geometry in the drawing by using the copy command. Since the inception of computer-aided design, one of the biggest benefits has been the ability to easily copy geometry and use it in other places on the drawing instead of having to manually redraw the geometry when you need it. Objectives: after completing this lesson, you will be able to use scripts or the copy command to copy objects in the drawing. Copying objects in conventional drafting. One of the most time-consuming tasks is to duplicate an object. You use the copy command to quickly create duplicates of objects at a specified distance from the original. After starting the copy command and selecting the object S to copy, you then specify the base point, where the object is being copied from, followed by the second point or displacement, where the object is being copied to. To create multiple copies, simply continue specifying second points or displacement values. Command access copy ribbon. Draw tab. Modify panel. Copy command line. Copy. Co-menu bar. Modify copy shortcut menu. Select objects, then right-click anywhere in the drawing window and select copy. Copy command vs clipboard copy. Do not confuse the copy command with other similar copy commands found on the shortcut menu. If you select an object and right-click anywhere in the drawing, the copy and copy with base point options appear on the shortcut menu. These options copy geometry to the clipboard, as in other standard Windows applications, making the geometry available to paste in other drawings. Procedure: copying objects with the copy command. The following steps describe an overview for copying objects in the drawing. 1. On the ribbon, click Home tab. Modify panel. Copy. 2. Select the object S to copy and press enter. 3. Specify a base point for the copy. 4. Specify a second point or displacement. Continue to specify second points to create additional copies. Procedure: copying objects using grips. The following steps give an overview of using grips to copy objects. 1. Select an object to activate its grips. 2. Click a grip to activate grip edit mode. By default, this point will also be used as the base point for the move. 3. Right-click anywhere in the drawing. Click Move. 4. Right-click anywhere in the drawing. Click Copy. 5. Click to position the copied object in a new location. Guidelines: follow these guidelines when using the copy command. When you specify the base point for the copy, it should be on or near the object being copied unless you are using other objects to define a reference vector for the copy. By default, the option for noun-verb selection is turned on in the software. This enables you to select the objects to copy prior to starting the copy command. Practice exercise: copy objects. In this practice exercise, you use the copy command and the object grips. First, draw a circle and a line, as shown on the left in the following image. 1. To set up the drawing, draw the circle, any size. Draw the line near the circle, any length. 2. Copy the circle and line to the right. On the Home tab, click Modify panel. Copy. Select the circle and the line and press enter. At the prompt, click a base point on or near those objects. Drag the mouse to the right and click. Press enter to end the copy command. 3. Copy the circle using grips. Select the circle on the right. Select one of the quadrant grips to activate it. Right-click the grip, then click Copy. Drag the mouse to create a larger copy of the circle and click. Continue to drag and click several times to create multiple copies of the circle. Press ESC to end the grip copy procedure. Press ESC to clear the circle selection. Copy the line using grips. With the command line blank, click the line. Select a grip at one of the endpoints. Right-click the grip and click Move. Right-click again and click Copy. Continue to click in the drawing window to make multiple copies of the line. Press ESC to end the copy procedure. Press ESC to clear the line selection. Note the following: when using copy with grips, select copy after you have selected an option, such as move, mirror, rotate, scale, or stretch. Stretch with grips is the default action. How the object behaves with grips often depends on which grip you select. For instance, if you had selected the midpoint grip of the line instead of the end point, it would have enabled you to move the line as you copied it. Exercise: copy objects. In this exercise, you copy objects in the drawing using the copy command. When you've finished, you will be able to use the copy command to duplicate geometry in other drawings. The completed exercise. Completing the exercise. To complete the exercise, follow the steps in this book or in the on-screen exercise. In the on-screen list of chapters and exercises, click Chapter 3, Manipulating Objects. Click Exercise Copy Objects. 1. Open m_copyObjects.dwg. 2. Zoom into the upper left view of the drawing. On the status bar, right-click Object Snap. Ensure that the center and intersection options are selected. 3. To make multiple copies of the red screw head, on the Home tab, click Modify Panel Copy. Select the screw object as shown. Press Enter. Touch the circle to display the center object snap marker. Click to select the center point of the circle as the base point. 4. Select the center point of the circle as shown in the following image. 5. Continue selecting the center points of the remaining circles in the top view as shown in the following image. Press Enter to end the copy command. To create a copy of the side view of the screw, press Enter to repeat the copy command. Select the edge view of the pan head screw as shown. Press Enter. Using the center object snap, select the center of the ellipse used to create the pan head screw as the base point. 7. To create additional copies, using the intersection object snap option, select the intersections as shown in the following image to position the copies. Press Enter to exit the copy command. 8. Pan or zoom the view to see a side view of the geometry. 9. Next, create a copy of the geometry in the side view for use as a section view. On the command line, Enter. Press Enter. Click 2 points to define a window selection around a geometry. Press Enter. 10. To place the copy of the geometry, select the center of one of the circles in the view as the base point. Verify that ortho or polar tracking mode is turned on. Drag the cursor to the right and enter 50. Press Enter. Press Enter to exit the copy command. 11. Close all files. Do not save. If any need, contact me by Gmail md.assad7157@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video.